Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss RDOE Worksheet 69 from your chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce. And today we will be going to discuss for the fertilization. The process by which the male gamete sperms unite with the female gamete's ovum is to form zygote is called fertilization. It means that process in which the male gametes fuse with the female gametes to form a zygote is called fertilization. Okay, what happens when the egg is not fertilized? If the egg is not fertilized, it lives about to 1 day, and since the ovaries releases one egg every month and uterus also prepare itself for every month to receive the fertilized egg, and its lining become thick and spongy for the nourishment of the embryo. In that case, if the fertilized egg not received by the uterus, the egg is not fertilized, the lining of the uterus need not anymore, so the lining slowly breaks and comes out from the vagina as a blood and mucus, and this cycle is called as menstruation cycle. If egg is not fertilized, so the lining of the uterus falls off with the blood and mucus comes out from the vagina, and that process is called as menstruation, which uh, which is a cycle uh, every month in the repeats in every month of the female's body, right? Now coming to the reproductive health, it is the total well-being in all aspects of the reproduction, like physical, emotional, social and behavior of a person. All these things included need for the process of reproduction, and this is called as a reproductive health. And it is very important for a person to take care of self reproductive health, for taking care of the healthy diet and maintaining the hygiene of the reproductive organ. Need and the methods of the family planning. The family planning not only benefit the parents and the children but also to the society and the nation by being able to keep the number of the birds under control and save the nation economy and resources. Why do we need the family plannings? This is the most important aspect, as the children are means the family planning is not only benefited to the parents or the children, but also it is benefited for the society as well as to the nation, because it keep the number of new birth under control and save the nation economy as well as its resources. Okay, and next, safe sex versus HIV and AIDS. There are many diseases which can be transmitted sexually, like viral and bacterial infections, warts, as well as warts and HIV/AIDS. HIV is most infectious diseases, deadly disease, and it is impossible to prevent such type of diseases by using barriers. This disease can be prevented by using the barrier like condoms. Okay, and safe sex can prevent the transmission of sexual diseases from one partner to other. Okay, next we have various method of the family plannings. First is mechanical barrier. It prevent the physical meet of sperm and the egg, and example of this is condom. Second, changing hormonal balance body. By changing the hormonal balance of the body, egg do not releases and so the fertilization do not occur, and this is done by the oral pills or the injection under the skin. And however, this method has some side effects of the health, so it is not safer to take for a long time. Okay, next we have intrauterine device IUD. This device is inserted inside the female body with the help of doctor. An example is copper T. Surgical method, it helps to block the gamete transported by some minor surgery. In case of male, it is called as vasectomy. It block the vasa differences, right, and stop the transfer of sperm. Okay, and in female body it is called as tubectomy, in which the fallopian tube blocked and the egg cannot reach to the uterus and fertilization does not take place. Okay, so let's do practice exercise. What is fertilization? Fertilization, you can write the definition from here. And what happen if egg is not fertilized? This is the answer of your first question. Define menstruation. You can write the answer of this in case. Okay, this is the answer of your second question. Why reproductive health is important? Reproductive health is very important, as it is the total well-being of all aspects of reproduction, and it will prevent the fatal diseases also, or reproductive diseases also. Okay, so this is the answer of your third question. Fourth, we have explain the method of family planning. You have to write this, and how HIV/AIDS can be prevented. HIV/AIDS can be prevented by and how does HIV/AIDS can be prevented? Beta, you can write the answer from this safe sex, from this paragraph. Means the use of condom can prevent the infectious diseases like AIDS. Okay, so you can write this by using. Okay, this is all about your today's worksheet. Thank you, Bicha.